Hello Toastmasters, this is Anup Chandran from Gardens Toastmasters District 105. As requested, here is a quick video on how I go about creating promo and recap videos for our club meetings. Hope this is helpful. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, creating videos is actually quite simple if you have a process and mastery of some of the tools. First and foremost, get your theme and valuable inputs from the TMOD to create the theme poster. The theme poster sets the mood for the video. It becomes a critical element of the video. It allows you to tie your club event and the video. The next step is to curate content. Content that are required for creating the videos. It could be static images, it could be videos, GIFs, and so on. So here are some of the tools that I use, or some of my go-to repositories where I collect my content. Of course, you can also use original content if you have some photographs and videos of your own. But these are some tools that I use. One is pexels.com. The other one is unsplash.com. These are two great websites that give you high quality pictures that you can use in your videos. They also provide some amount of videos, but not too exhaustive in terms of collection. For videos, I rely on a paid website which is called videoblocks.com. For GIFs, there's Jiffy, which is a website, and also provides apps. If you're doing the video content curation on the mobile, you also have apps for the iOS and Android platforms. So these are the tools that you may want to rely on. And once you have the content, next is to look at the various tools that are available in order to stitch the videos together. For video creation, you have different tools on different platforms. On the desktop version, you have the video editor, which is a free tool that is available on the Windows 10 platform. On iPhone, I use something called Clips from Apple. It's a free app. Then on Google Play, you can download various apps for the Android platform. One is Quick, the other one is Magisto, and then we also have tools like InShot. My recommendation and definitely my favorite is the Quick tool, which is available on both iOS and Android. And this is quite simple to use and also quite versatile in terms of the number of templates that they provide. Especially for creating recap videos, all you need is bunch of videos and content. You can line them together, put it in a proper storyboard, and the tool will take care of most of the transitions and so on. So you can shift from one template to another template and play around with the right kind of background music and so on, and you are in business in terms of creating a fantastic video. And this is my go-to tool and my recommendation. Let's go and create a sample video. We will take the example of the last promo video. Here's the poster for the last meeting. The theme was New Beginnings. First step is to create a storyboard. The storyboard provides the logical sequence in terms of the frames that you want to sequence through in your video. And typically what I tend to use is to have the theme poster or the meeting poster at the beginning and at the end of every video. Just as a quick reminder that this is the event that we are promoting and everything else is built around that. So for example, in this particular video, the focus was on new beginnings, and most of the imagery that you will see is about starting something new. And once I got the images, I started to put together the right sequence within the video creation tool. And of course, this it goes through a couple of iterations before I get it right. And then finally, it's all about writing the right narrative within the video in terms of the text overlays, and finally the background music, which sets the mode and the vibe of the particular video. That's all there is to create a video. All you need is a good storyboard, great compelling images, and an interesting storyline in terms of the text overlays that enhance value to each frame. So as long as you have this flow, you're on the right path. Let us go to the video editor tool to create the demo video. Create a new project. And once you create the new project, the home screen shows the project library, storyboard, and the preview panel. Now the project library, you can import the curated content that we have collected from various repositories, and once you import it, they can be dragged and dropped onto the storyboard. The clips, images, etc. can be rearranged in the right sequence, and once you have arranged them in the right sequence, what I typically do is at the beginning of the video clip, I add the meeting poster, and also at the end of the video, just to remind everyone what the promo is all about. Once you have the right sequence, you can edit each frame to adjust the duration of the clip just by dragging down the cursor. Now you can also add text overlays. The text overlays give additional context. Now they can be formatted based on the templates that the tool provides. You can place them in different corners of the screen. So here you can see in the layout section, you can click on each of those positions, and you will see that the text overlays change the position in the video. And of course, once you have all these text overlays and the sizes trimmed, what you want to do is add a bit of vibe or the right kind of music. So in order to do that, what you can do is click on the select background music. So you can adjust the volume of the music that you want to be played when the video is playing. So once you've selected the music, you put down in the right sequence, your video is ready. Well, that's the end of today's session. Hope you all liked it. Please do let me know. And in the coming sessions, my focus would be on mobile editor tools, which I extensively use for creating the recap videos, that is the meeting recap videos. And there are certain processes that I typically follow in order to get an effective recap. So more to follow. Speak to you soon. Thank you so much.